Hello, I am Walt Jacobs, the Dean of the College of Social Sciences at San Jose State University. Congratulations on being admitted to one of the programs in my college. There are 12 departments in the College of Social Sciences, and each has major and minor programs. The departments are African American Studies, Anthropology, Chicana and Chicano Studies, Communication Studies, Economics, Environmental Studies, History, Justice Studies, Political Science, Psychology, Sociology and Interdisciplinary Social Sciences, and Urban and Regional Planning. You may also have interests in a program that is sponsored by one department or shared in an interdisciplinary way by two or more departments. These programs include Asian American Studies, Behavioral Science, Comparative U.S. Race and Ethnic Relations, Geography, Native American Studies, Organizational Studies, Social Science Teacher Preparation, and Women, Gender, and Sexuality Studies. The major courses of study in the college emphasize the contributions of the many cultures that form our community. Internships are encouraged to help students relate academic work to the opportunities and needs of both the Silicon Valley and global society beyond our local communities here in Northern California. The completion of one of our undergraduate majors also provides an excellent foundation for advanced work in one of the disciplines or at a professional school such as law or business. New technologies increasingly improve our instruction and link us to the innovative industry of our region and to the educational resources of the world. But personal interaction between students and faculty is still highly prized within the College of Social Sciences. Capable and interesting teachers, active student clubs, and small classes provide ideal environments for learning. The College of Social Sciences educates students in human behavior in its many past and present cultural forms, in individual, group, national, and international contexts. We seek to empower students as democratic participants in a rapidly changing world. Our students develop a solid foundation in the social sciences and understand how knowledge in the social sciences is acquired and evaluated. They think analytically about themselves and the world in which they live. College of Social Sciences students have a strong interest in working with other members of their communities to enable social change and make the world a better place. So, what kind of jobs can you get with a major or minor in one of the programs in the College of Social Sciences? What can you do with a social science degree? Everything. All of the programs in the College of Social Sciences prepare students for work and life in Silicon Valley and beyond. Most employers agree that skills such as good communication, critical thinking ability, and problem-solving skills are vital for the success of their employees. These skills are provided by social science degrees. Our 12 departments provide training for careers in counseling, ergonomics, environmental impact assessment and restoration, computerized mapping, public administration, economic analysis, internet communication, and countless other positions in business, government, teaching, and human services. Here's an example of a recent graduate's career progression. A graduate with an undergraduate degree in sociology who was active in student government landed a job with Airbnb as a recruiting and talent acquisition specialist. After a year, she was promoted to a technical recruiting coordinator. 6 months later, she became the team coordinator in the Chief Executive Officer's office. In a few years, I expect to see a LinkedIn note that she is the CEO. Would you like to learn more about the College of Social Sciences and our programs? If so, contact our Academic Counseling Center for Excellence in the Social Sciences. Just think of the first letter of each word, A, C, C, E, S, S, Access. You can find Access on campus in room 240 of Clark Hall, or give them a call, 408-924-5363. Once again, that's 408-924-5363. Or visit them online at www.sjsu.edu/access. The folks in Access can either answer your questions or connect you with the right people to provide solutions. You can also get more information about the College of Social Sciences on our webpage, www.sjsu.edu. www.sjsu.edu/social sciences. Here in the College of Social Sciences, we are deeply committed to helping students succeed in the classroom, in your places of employment, and in your communities. Congratulations again on your acceptance into San Jose State University. We very much look forward to seeing you in College of Social Sciences classes.